paper planes! Let's make a New Year's card today. For this, we will require multiple origami papers. Now, why don't we start fan folding this? Yes, you need to put one flap on one side, turn the paper, and next flap on the other side. Let's repeat it and create this beautiful fan. Now, why don't we create this fan for all the 3 pages? And well, it's time for us to start doing this. All we have to do is fold it from the middle and put some glue. That's lovely. Now, why don't we start making a beautiful flower? For this, we are going to fold the paper into 2 and then cut a circle out of it. Lovely! Once we are done with this, we are going to make the swirls and then make the rose. This is lovely. Now our flowers are ready. And the next part which we have to do is decorate the card. You can write congratulations or Happy New Year or any other message you wish to write. Now, why don't we do some decoration on top of the card? This looks great. Now why don't we fan fold one more paper? Let's do this together. Why don't we put the glue in the middle and fold it as well? This looks great. Now it's time for us to put some glue right here and stick it in the front. This looks great. Let's put some more flowers here. Now it's time for us to make the stem and the leaf. This looks lovely. Now it's time for us to put this right here. Why don't we glue from the biggest fan to the smallest fan? This looks so colorful and beautiful. And finally, why don't we fold this paper nicely? Well, we have a beautiful design right here and we also have space for writing a nice message. Wishing you a very happy New Year in advance.
Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
I hope you had a lot of fun, friends. And for those of you who don't know me, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car, Bubbles. See you next time.